How can palatability be used to fight lifestyle diseases and obesity? Can the new Nordic diet improve children's physical and mental development? Can we develop a new healthy diet concept as a Scandinavian answer to the Mediterranean diet? How can local ingredients and foods encourage people to eat a healthier diet? These are some of the questions this course aims to address. I am Arne Astrup, Professor, MD, and Head of Department of Nutrition, Exercise and Sports at the University of Copenhagen. I'm also the director of this multidisciplinary research center, Opus, based at the university. I'm very excited to lead you into this world of gastronomy and health and tell you more about our experiences in developing a new food culture which emphasizes food, well-being and the environment. This course presents the new Nordic diet, the world's largest research project on adult and child health and well-being, and will help you to better understand global health challenges such as obesity and obesity-related diseases. So it's a new food culture developed from 2009 to 2013 with key emphasis on gastronomy, health and the environment. Major researches into its effect on acceptability, behavior, learning skills and disease prevention have been conducted by the Opus Center at the University of Copenhagen and with the people behind the award-winning restaurant Noma in Copenhagen. Opus was established to investigate whether it's possible to develop a healthy new Nordic diet that is palatable, environmentally friendly and based largely on foods originating from the Nordic region. The overall aim of Opus is to create optimal well-being, development and health for Danish children through a healthy new Nordic diet. Members of our university with expertise in these areas will assist in answering these questions. In addition to our researchers from the Faculty of Science, the course includes also researchers from the Danish School of Education at the University of Aarhus, leading chefs working with the new Nordic diet and ingredients, and food entrepreneurs from different environments here in Denmark. In this course, you will be given an opportunity to participate in discussions with fellow students from all over the world. The chosen case studies, texts, videos and other resources will guide you through the exciting world of science, health and food.